Alright guys, so we're going right now to go take the Mustang down to the shop. We had to change our clothes because man, it was just pouring. It still is pouring right now. So we got it all loaded up. We're going down to the shop and you guys can hop along for the ride. So we finally made it here. It was about a 40-minute drive to get here, and we got the Mustang on the trailer that we got to get unloaded. Besides that, we're gonna get it unloaded, give it over to our guy. His name's Luis, and he's gonna start doing and working his magic on it. What's up guys? So I just got off the phone with Luis. Today's Saturday. It was supposed to be done yesterday, but he wanted one extra day to make it perfect, and he told us to go down there and go pick it up. So we're on our way right now to go pick up the Mustang, and boy am I excited. Excited. Check this out guys. So everything looks so good. The door looks amazing. The hood looks really good. He blended the door to the quarter panel actually. So this got repaired right here. Like I am feeling it. It is not wavy at all. It's smooth. Got blended to the quarter. This quarter gets re-cleared all the way to here. The hood, even though it had a small little dent right there, the whole entire hood got resprayed, blended, and cleared. So it's all brand new clear. It's like glass. Even if you come in here, it's kind of hard to see right now because it's kind of dark. Yeah. But man, it is just like glass. We'll get you guys a better video during the day. So.
Yeah, we'll definitely shoot another video in the daytime so that we can clearly see where the damage was before and how it got repaired, but it's like a night and day difference. She is looking good.
So he was really cool. He also gave us some touch-up. It's competition orange, and the cool thing about this is he mixes his own paint. He's got a whole entire shelf of all different colors, got a computer in there that tells him the mixing ratio and everything else like that, and that's why our paint matches perfect. A lot of places you go to, guys, they go buy the paint from the store, they mix it for them, and then they come back and spray it, and then you realize it doesn't match, so then they try to blend it and spot blend it and all that. This guy mixes it himself, matches it perfect, and then sprays, and if he needs to blend, we'll blend, and it's a perfect match and a perfect repair done always.
And he's nice enough to give some extra to his customers if they ask for it.
Right. It's always good to have extra touch-up paint, especially the ones that aren't from like the auto parts stores, because it'll match perfect. So yeah, it's a really good place and a really good guy. But let's go back.
Let's go back. Let's hit the road and go back home, and we'll shoot another video in the daytime and show you guys a little more once it's dry, how it really looks like.
Perfect. Let's do it.
So we just got back.
Yeah.
Looked like it dried up a bit while you were driving, so you can kind of see there's no more water here. Gives us a little better of a view of how it looks like, but looks pretty dang good. I believe it was somewhere around here, right?
It was right over here.
Right over
you
here.
Can't even tell.
You can't even tell it was over there. So overall, we're super happy with the result of it, and we can't wait to show you guys what we're gonna do next with it.
Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and leave a comment if you wish to. Any other tips or suggestions would be awesome. We appreciate it all. And there's Hunter.
Hunter appreciates it too.
Yeah,
so.
he's waiting for us. Don't regret it at all. John, why are you? I think John saw a cop.
Wear your seatbelt, guys, always, you know?
Always.
Always.
So not just when you see a cop, but always.
Yeah.